Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading over to Dirty Diesels for their open house and dyno day, and then skipping out probably around noon and then heading over to Chris's shop, Maple Grove Automotive, because he's having a dyno day. So dynos on dynos. But before we go, cold start on the beast. Yes, we are in the beast today. Oh yeah, hear that Cummins roar. Not taking bell. Bell's getting a lot of love lately. Not taking this time. It's all about the beasts. It's all about diesels. A little bit of gas, but mostly diesels. You know, that's a Ford with the right powerhouse in it. Let's see what numbers this thing can tell.
Oh crap.
It was!
No, it wasn't.
It was!
Show me the footage.
Where's footage?
But look at those lines though. You see how the lines are nice? Going up, not
yeah,
like going like
I know. Hey, we worked through
like
that.
no, like it wasn't like a heart monitor, was it?
We did work through that. Alright guys, we're done at Dirty Diesels. Had another outstanding time there. If you guys never been to their diesel and donuts or their open house, you got to check it out. Definitely good time. Sorry there wasn't a lot of commentary there, but you know, I like to spend time and talk to everyone and hang out and actually enjoy my time there rather than having a camera at my face or their face. So we're off to Maple Grove Automotive LLC to hang out with Chris and the crew. Double dyno! Into dyno days.
Hi.
My old neighbor from way back in the day.
Oh,
Kathy Bennick. It's crazy. It's insane.
Nice. So weird. I'm like, it's fucking Steve.
Just walking around with a drone flying over top of his head, you know. Yep.
I'm like, who's attached to this thing? There you are.
With John, before you tell us what you ran today, because I'm late. I'm always late to the game. I missed it. I don't know the stuff you got done to the truck. This truck's a beauty. After that car's done.
It's a stock bottom end 5.9, 64 millimeter over an 80 millimeter, 150%, dual fuelers, push rods, valve train, clutch. It's a 6-speed. That's pretty much it. I'm going to do a build engine next year, and I'm going to do a 76 over 106. So
How much boost is this thing?
it made 90 on a dyno.
I'm trying to make 54. I'm trying. That's where it like teeters there.
Well, the compounds multiply the boost, so that's...
And it comes on so fast.
Oh yeah, it's instant. So my goal, I'm gonna do I'm gonna be either a 6.4 or a built 6.7, I'm gonna do a Hamilton wet block, HD wet block. My goal is to make 1,800 on fuel, and then 2,200 on spray. Still be able to drive it on.
And still be able to drive. Still be able to daily it if you want to.
If I wanted to.
That's awesome. I can't get over how clean this truck is. I'm gonna do that. It's eventually. John actually got one of those for me. This thing right here, actually, it's sort of like a filter.
Yeah. So with a dry pressure setup, you obviously have soot coming through your exhaust manifold, and if you didn't have some way of catching all that particulate, it would keep clogging the sensor. So what the coil does is cool the exhaust gas before it gets to the filter, and then you have clean air going to your sensor, so it's not hot gas that's going to melt the sensor, or sooty gas that's going to foul the sensor up.
And how often do you have to clean the filter?
Depends how much you drive the truck. For me, it would probably be once every 2 or 3 years. So, and it's easy to clean. There's just the fitting on the bottom. You crack it, and you just put air pressure to the top of it. And
Sweet. You and I may be doing that install together.
Yeah.
Because that's clean, and I like clean. I mean, everything about this truck's clean. Well, thanks, John. Appreciate it.
No problem.
What are your numbers?
I made 11, 12, 1,800.
Makes my beast of a truck not so beast. Not so beast at all.
And it's a tow rig, so I still use it. I work with it. So.
And you tow a very nice boat.
Yep, I do.
Then you're going to take me out one day.
You want to go?
You promised.
Yeah,
You promised. I told the wife, so now you're committed. Cool. Very awesome. You having fun here at Maple Grove Automotive?
Yeah. I've known Chris for a long time. So.
Yeah, I was here the other day, and he was like, John's coming.
Yeah, they're like the CX.
Yeah,
How do I know you?
I've known him since probably 2005, so it's been a while.
It's not
Very
Cali.
good dude.
Oh yeah,
The whole family.
Yeah.
Everyone. Even all the employees here, everyone's
yeah, great shop. A lot better than his old one.
Yeah, he reminds me of that all the time. I never saw him.
Yeah,
But he said the showroom here is about the size of 2 bays at his old one.
yeah, his old shop was maybe 800 square feet or so. I mean, it wasn't anything like this shop. This is something else.
This isn't something you see every day on my channel right here, guys. Well guys, that is a wrap for Dyno Day. Double Dyno Day is officially over. Had an outstanding time. They both shops had an awesome setup. You can hear that in the background. It's a Mustang 5.0. Holy hell. His first pull was 790. It's nice. Competition. I gotta get my Charger up to speed. But had a blast, absolute blast today. Time to go home, hydrate, because I haven't peed all day and it's been hot outside. It's 80+ degrees, so that tells me I'm probably getting a little dehydrated. So I'm gonna hydrate. I got a buddy that's got a surprise party tonight for him, so I'm gonna head out and hang out with him and a few colleagues from work. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button. We love you guys. We'll see you on the next upload.